In gardening, aloe vera can be used in various ways. 1. Plant growth. Directly applying a diluted aloe vera solution can promote growth in plants due to the plant hormones and beneficial enzymes in aloe vera. 2. Rooting hormone. Use aloe vera gel to dip the cut end of a cutting before planting. It can act as a natural rooting hormone. 3. Pest control. Aloe vera has certain antibacterial and antifungal properties that can be used to deter pests. 4. Fertilizer. Mix aloe vera gel with water and use it as a liquid fertilizer. The nutrients and minerals in the gel can benefit plants. 5. Moisturizer. During dry periods, applying aloe vera gel to the soil can help retain moisture. 6. Revive wilted plants. Diluted aloe vera juice can be used to revive wilted plants as it helps in retaining moisture. 7. Disease resistance. Its natural salicylic acid can help plants resist diseases. To use in gardening. 1. Diluted solution. For most applications, you'd mix a couple of teaspoons of aloe vera gel with the water in a spray bottle and apply it to the plants or soil. 2. Direct application. For rooting hormone or direct soil moisturizer, you can use the gel directly. Note: always use fresh aloe vera gel from the plant rather than store-bought preparations which might contain other additives.